Hey everyone, in today's video we're exploring how to transform your videos into cartoon characters using AI. It's super fun and creative process and I'll guide you through it step by step. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Let's get started. Alright, first up head over to lensgo.ai. This platform is your one-stop solution for transforming your videos into cartoon characters. It also offers AI-powered tools for color correction, making it a versatile choice for all your video editing needs. Let's start by checking out the subscription plans on lensgo.ai. Currently I'm using the free plan, which allows for 5-second video conversions and gives 50 points per day for transactions. If you need more features, there are paid plans like Standard, Pro and Mega, which offer additional options, customizations and flexibility. Now let's dive into the process. I've downloaded a video from Pixels and I'm going to show you how to convert it into a cartoon. First, let's select your desired style. In my case, I'm choosing the Pixar style. Other available styles include Fire, Gabble, 90s 3D game and more. After selecting the style, upload your video to begin the conversion. Lensgo.ai also offers additional features like restyle, AI rendering and AI coloring, but for now we'll focus on connecting the video to cartoon, which is restyle. Once the upload is complete, click on generate video to start the transformation. Keep in mind that conversion costs 15 points. Let's check out how the raw video is. It's around 12 seconds of video, but we are only able to convert 5 seconds of it to a cartoon. Let's click on generate video to start the conversion. If you encounter an error which says high traffic, you can try again after a couple of minutes. And if it still doesn't work, make sure you use a VPN. That should work like a charm. In my case, I was using a VPN for the second time and successfully I was able to start the generation, and as you can see, it is now starting the conversion process and it's gonna take around 7 minutes to complete. Alright, here we have the video completed and now you can download it. So simply hitting the download button is gonna save the video to your computer, and let us also try another video with another style and see how that works. I have a video of a person playing guitar. Now I'm just gonna upload that video and see how it works. Let's hit generate video. And now it's into transformation. There you go, it's now done. Let's download the video and let's see how the output came. Oh, this is great. But as we are using a free tier, we do have the watermark of Lensgo, but rest all looks good. Try this out and let me know how it went, guys. And if you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.